smell like fart? Oh, we're playing. Yeah. Yo, what's up, girl? I did a workshop today.
About what?
It was ecstatic. It was great. I feel great. Uh, I drank coffee in a wine glass. It was great. I did a workshop that worked on its own, so I didn't have to do jack shit. I just sat and watched people enjoy my workshop. There were like 5 people, something like that. More.
Yeah.
Because
What was the subject?
oh right, yeah. The subject was about Gatsby. It's a React framework
Yeah.
on steroids. Because I'm saying too much. Because it uses Node and pre-installed plugins and npm packages and a ton of cool shit. It's great. It's amazing. It's great. It's like waking up and taking a deep breath and getting really high. I
And
sing in the morning and I get really high and I open my mouth and scream. I love karaoke's. Good luck for everybody in the future. Good luck to you, Arnaud van der Schrik. Good luck to your friend, Nico. I got you in. Don't deceive me or I'll hunt you down.
and you don't want to talk about what you made us do?
Who?
We. Oh shit, my English is so bad.
So we're studying dolphins right now at BeCode
What?
and aquatic life. It's really great. I love being a marine biologist for 7 months. It's amazing. It's amazing. I really love it. Especially, I love dolphins. They're great. Wait, what? Why are we here again?
About the workshop,
Oh.
Gatsby, the portfolio stuff, and
Nobody finished it. It was great. I didn't mind though. I'm cool.
okay, maybe the.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah,
Person behind camera?
yeah. I will finish it on this weekend. I promise.
Thank you, camera.
Yes, I am camera.
Your camera.
Yeah.
Okay, well, camera.
Okay, so maybe the final word.
Cock.
Okay.